guys, welcome back to my channel. Tiana Michelle here. So as you can tell by the title, today we're going to be doing another clean, declutter, and pack with me. And on today's video, we're going to be cleaning out my daughter's closet. This is going to be a little bit difficult because we have not touched anything in her closet or her drawer for over 2 years now. Sadly, she passed away in August of 2020. So today we're going to be cleaning it out because we're going to be moving, as you can tell by the title. So I have been preparing myself for this moment for some time now to make it a little bit easier on myself. I have been talking myself through it for several days now, leading up to today, knowing that I had to clean it out. So here I am today cleaning out her closet and her drawer. I'm not going to talk too much in this video. I'm just going to let you guys watch and listen to the music. So if you're subscribed to my vlog channel, I mentioned that I bought 2 storage bins. I bought one for us and I bought one for her mom. And in each of those storage bins, I'm just keeping things that I thought that would be memorable to all of us. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm separating out some of the items into the storage bins. And then what I thought was salvageable or worthy, I donated some of it to Goodwill.
Pas de soleil, 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 pas de Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil.
And that's pretty much it for this video. Everything is all cleared out in the closet and in the dresser drawer, and as you can see in those two storage bins, that's what I decided to keep. And also I kept one basket of clothing that I just couldn't get rid of, so I'm also going to keep that. I hope you got some inspiration from this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on the next clean and declutter video.